which result in flavor with the standard one. So let's write elevation. What else? In the world, we have two distinct varieties, two families of tea bushes. One is the Chinese variety that was discovered in China, and the second is the Assam variety. And you should be happy to learn that although in India we started cultivating tea much later than China, but we are home to the second variety of tea bush that exists on this planet. And in fact, some people claim that's an older variety. It has existed on the planet longer than the Chinese variety. So you remember Camellia sinensis? So the Chinese variety is called Camellia sinensis, sinensis written twice. And the Indian variety is called Camellia sinensis assamica. So generally, assamica, A-S-S-A-M-I-C-A, assamica. So there are just two broad varieties. Now, the type of bush that you take also influences the quality. If you are looking for strong, rich, black teas, then the Assam variety is better. But if you're looking for light flavored teas, then the Chinese variety is better. So we have, the how many varieties of grapes do you know? Several. So here in tea, we have two broad categories, and then we have several different categories which have been developed in the last 30, 40 years, and they all have different specific traits, but we won't go into those details because that's not easy to comprehend, not easy to understand. Okay, so I'm being told that we need to look at the types of teas from the manufacturing point of view. I just wanted to first cover the quality aspects of tea based on certain geographical conditions. Just let me know how we are placed for time. Huh? So we have elevation, we have specific tea bush, we have the processing that we talked about. Processing, a good processing, a well-monitored processing will always produce a good tea. So if you have a modern factory with a clean, hygienic atmosphere where all the people are adhering to the quality standards, then the tea factory and the management, they always influence the quality of tea. What else? Water, yes. Water is also important in the tea quality. But then, we take it for granted that a certain area is having good water, only then the tea bushes are thriving. Yes. Now, see, plant, of course, the size of the leaf that you pluck is directly related to the quality of tea. So what happens is, in a tea bush, only the young two-leaf and a bud, they go into the production of tea. So if you, what we call a plucking ground, if you pluck teas after 4 days, every 4 days you pluck those young leaves which come out, you can expect to produce very high quality tea. But the cost will be more, because every person who goes to collect the leaves, he'll be able to get lesser quantity of tea, because he's just getting tiny portions. And if you pluck after 8 days, you'll get a larger portion. Your cost will be lower, but your quantity produced will be high. So So what we call the plucking ground, the tea gardens use a common term, the plucking grounds. The shorter the plucking ground, you can expect superior, higher quality. Okay. Now I think we can look at